Good morning, students. Today we read the half of the story Mary Come, the unbreakable Mary Come. And in this story, we read about the life story of the Mary Come. Already half of the story we have discussed in our previous video. And in second part, what we read? So in first part, she won different titles, different awards in her life. Okay. So at the 2012 London Olympics, she fought skillfully and made Indian proud by winning a bronze medal. So in 2012 London Olympic Games, and she made the Indian proud because she won a bronze medal for our country. And this is followed by a gold medal at the Asian Games in 2014. Followed by means in 2012 she won the bronze medal, and in 2014 again she won the gold medal. Okay, Indian Games, Asian Games in South Korea. After she had won the title, she said, I want to give this medal to my country. So when she won the gold medal in 2014 at Incheon, South Korea, and she sacrificed or she dedicated her prize to country. So she said that I am dedicating or I am give this medal to my country. So Mary had to make numerous personal sacrifices to reach her goals. So numerous means many. So numerous means is existing in larger number. So many sacrifices she has to do for to reach her goal. Goal means aim. So her aim was to become a boxer. So to reach her goal, she had to do many sacrifices in her life. When she was once asked by a reporter what the lowest point in her life had been, she said that it was when she had to leave her 1-year-old twins to go a camp and train for many months. So once in an interview, one reporter asked him, so generally when a person had to work or wanted to win her goal or reach her goal, she had to do many sacrifices. So in her life also she did many sacrifices. So one reporter asked her, what was the very tragic situation in your life, very sad situation in her life? So she said once she had to left to 1-year-old twins. Twins means two kids, twins, to go to camp and train for many months. So many months she had to live without her babies. Okay, she left 1-year-old twins and she go for training. Sorry, she went for training for many months. It was her very tragic situation in her life, and she could not even afford to buy an air ticket to fly back to Manipur to meet her children. So she was belongs to poor family, so she had not money also to buy a air ticket to come to meet her child and go back. So she had to live many months without her kids. She would miss them every day. So every day it is very natural thing for a mother. If a mother is live away from her babies, and especially 1-year-old baby and twins there, so it is natural thing to miss. For my mother must miss her babies, and babies also miss their mother. The Mary's victory in Incheon came after she took a break to have a third child. So she had also third child. After third child, she won or she got many victories in her life. Mary Kom has won many national awards also. She won in her life many national awards. Among them are the Arjun Award in 2003, then in Padma Shri Award 2006, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009, and the Padma Bhushan in 2020. In national award means within India. International means through the competition held among the countries. Okay, so in India level, in national level, she won different prizes such as Arjun Award 2003, Padma Shri 2006, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2009, and Padma Bhushan in 2013. Mary Kom's autobiography Unbreakable describes her journey towards making her dreams come true. So unbreakable means with can't be break. So Mary Kom from who belongs to a very unknown place or very rural place, humble background, and she could become a Olympian, which is very prestigious thing in a life. So it is the unbreakable Mary Kom. It describes the story that the journey from what? It describes the journey towards the making her dreams come true, means from where she could not expect that she could be a Olympian. So from that place to become a Olympian is described the journey. The magnificent Mary, as the fondly known, has proved herself to be an exceptional athlete. Exceptional means extraordinary. She is an extraordinary athlete or a player, and she is a wonderful human being also. So as a famous player, prestigious player of our country, proud of our country, with that she is also a very wonderful human being or a very good lady, and is an inspiration for youngsters. Inspiration means always she inspires the young peoples like you that to reach a goal we must work out, we must do hard work, and we have to face many problems in our life. Then also if we have a goal, we have a aim, and we have the will, then we can reach our goal and we can get our goal, and we can learn these things from Mary Kom's life. Without many barriers, without many problems also, Mary Kom could become a boxer and achieve and bring his dream true. So Mary Kom is the inspiration for the youngsters or young people who want to take the boxing as a career. So generally people don't like to make boxing as a career because it gives many serious injuries. But as a lady, Mary Kom as a girl or a lady, she chose that profession boxing. So it gives many inspiration to the peoples or the youngsters who don't like boxing. So here are some experts from a few interviews Mary Kom has given over the past few years. They reflect her love for sports, her patriotism, her strong will and determination, and her courage to face a great odds. So in an interview, Mary Kom asked different questions. Okay, they are given some questions. With that, what Mary Kom answered the reporter. So just briefly we discuss. What is your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? So one reporter asked Mary Kom, what is your opinion? What is your view? That is the future in Indian boxing. I mean, in future, any Indian will like to play boxing, or it will improve in our country. The future is very bright. So Mary Kom said, in India, in boxing career, the future is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. So Mary Kom said, how I got a medal? In future also many youngsters will get medal for our, or bring medal or bring pride for our country. Then second question, please tell us about the dreams and goals you had as a child. So another question is, you tell or you say about the dreams. What are your dreams and what is your aim in your life? As a child, I did not have specific dreams or goals, but accomplishing every job assigned was my goal. So accomplishing means achieve or complete successfully. So she said, I did not have any particular aim in my childhood, but what things assigned to me, what work assignments given to me, I wanted to complete it successfully. Accomplishing means complete it successfully. I always dreamed to be someone who will be able to support my family. Okay, she always wanted to, because his family is a poor family. Her parents were laborer, so she wanted to be something which can support her family. What qualities do you think have made you successful and come this far? So another question, what qualities you have that make you successful in your life? My hard working. So Mary Kom said, my hard working, but she is a very hard working lady, and firm determination. Determination means to do something even if it is difficult. Firm with little possibility. So determination to something even difficulty also. We have to face many difficulties, but if we have will, then we can do everything easily. So my hard working, determination, of course God's give me talent. So she has also hidden talent or born talent. Then next one, when you were winning championship, after championship, did you ever feel satisfied and content, thinking that you had achieved enough? So continuously what we read, 2004 to 2005, 2005, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, continuously she won prizes. So she asked that did she satisfied for that? Yes, I always satisfied with my achievement. So Mary Kom said yes, she was satisfied what she achieved in her life, no matter what value, whether is it national or international or whatever the prizes, she was satisfied. Had you ever dreamed of winning an Olympic medal? How was feeling before the Olympic and feeling after winning the medal? So she was playing for national games. So she asked, did you ever dream for Olympic award? And what was your feeling before getting the Olympic exam, Olympian what? Award and after that? So ever since I started winning international medals, so national, then she won also international medals. Only my wish to dream or to participate in the Olympics. So not for medal, I wish to get a chance to participate in the Olympics. I was so excited even before the Olympics started. So I was very much excited that maybe I can get the chance in the Olympics. So as my dream of participating had early been accomplished, and so was ever happier to have the only maybe. So then also he got the chance in the Olympics and won the medal also. So that's why she was very happy and satisfied for that. When you participate in the Olympics, every Indian stood up for you and cheered you. How was I like being able to bring us in one less? So generally our one player from India represents in Olympics and won the prizes and bring pride for our country. Then everyone at their home, when they watch the Olympics at TV, they cheer. That means they support. Their blessings are always with the player. So that question asked, what do you feel? What did you feel that time when you won a prizes? So this is the hidden spell of sports. It is so thrilling that lets us forget barriers and divisions, and we wish pray for country to win. So our one player is win at the Olympics means she won, let our country win. Okay. So she said it is the hidden blessings from the whole country to me. So she was very excited for that. And there is no division, no caste, no religion there. As a Indian, we support the player and we bless the player and we pray for the player that he should win the Olympics or any game. What are the positive experiences you came across being a woman in the sports? So as a woman and choosing the game as a boxer. So what was the positive experience? Means did you get support from everyone? I was one of the early batches of women boxing. She was the first woman boxer. Okay. So yes, it was also quite difficult for her to choose the career because first of all her parents not support. Okay. So we have been a role model for many and have paved way to today's young generation. So then also with many difficulties I chose the boxing. I got many prizes for our country. So I am the inspiration for the players. However, our Indian women for their nutritional requirement, diet and nutrition must have been a key factor for your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? So nutrition is food. Generally in India, women are neglected. They are not given nutrition food. As a woman, they eat less food or whatever is general in all families. So here question, do a woman should get nutritional food or she must require nutritional food. So the awareness is growing now among female athletes about nutritional requirement. So to play a game, energy is needed. Proper energy is needed. So for energy, we should take nutritional food. The first thing for a female athlete or woman athlete, nutritional food requirement is first thing. Nutritional has definitely have been a neglected area in Indian sports, but in India, nutritional food is neglected. No one gives the importance towards the food. But I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight 51 kg even instead of the usual 48 kg I fight in. Okay. So in boxing also there are categories. Suppose here she said that when she was 48 kg she fight. Okay. So next category is 51 kg. So she has to gain 3 kg more. Okay. So from 48 kg to 51 kg. So for that she has to take some nutritional food and she gained also 3 kg and she participated in the 51 kg category in boxing. Okay. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gain weight by eating the right kind of food rather than taking the foods rich in bad fats. So foods we have read already in our previous chapter that we should take the food which are rich in nutritional value, not rich in fat, oil, all these things. So Mary Kom also takes some nutritional food and gained 3 kg from 48 to 51 kg. Then he played in the 51 kg category for boxing. And what is the advice you would like to give? Last question. That what you will give advice to the youngsters. So the world today is full of distraction in almost even for every form. So if you fail to overcome them, you will end up nowhere, somewhere less prepared. So the world is facing different distractions. Distraction means sad, worry, all are in tension, all are in worry, all are only full of disturbances, full of problems. So if you will not come out from this, then you will fail and you will not get success in your life. So work hard with firm determination. So with one aim, and to get success you have to work hard and you have to strong decision, strong feeling, and you have to strong mind. So don't just you but someone who lives a life setting an example for others. So you live a life, you make a life something special that you will become the example for others. When others will see your lifestyle and see you, that they also wanted to become like you. That means you become the example for others. Like the Mary Kom belongs to a rural area and also her life, and he reached the London and he reached he participated in the Olympiad and got different medals, gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal for our country and became the pride. So from her lifestyle I am sure that her lifestyle must inspire you, and you will also have a aim and goal. You should also select a aim or a goal and work hard to achieve that, and that you can become the example for others. Okay. So I hope you like this story. This is all about. Thank you.